Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. We continue our course called How to Go from 32-bit to 64-bit in Windows 10. It will have 5 video tutorials with detailed instructions. Today's video is the second lesson, and we will show you how to back up Windows 10 data. We are going to do backup option in the Windows settings. The first step is to plug in a USB flash drive. We are using the 8GB one. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. You can see a small gear. Above the same Windows icon, click on it. It opens a Windows Settings tab. Go to Update and Security. Click on Backup on the left side menu. Click on Add Drive. Choose the flash drive. The automatic data backup is on. Click on More Options to manage the backup options. The settings are set to default, but you can manage them the way you like. You can set backup files to Daily. You can choose the folders you want to back up. Basically, all the folders on your disk C are automatically in the list. You can click on Add a folder if you want to add another folder. Choose the one you want to back up and click on Choose this folder. Down below, you can create an exclude list. Click on Add a folder to create a list of folders you don't want to back up. If you need to change the drive where you keep your backup data, just click on Stop using drive. Go back to the top and click on Backup Now when you're done. It will take some time. You will see the size of your backup data and a time of your last backup. That's it! Stay tuned for the next part. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.